Welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing the Hindustani music paper. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here, the number is 900-936-8238. Now, the question paper which we are discussing here, which is in Hindustani music. In this paper, there are total 6 questions in the Hindi and the English. The 1, 2, 3 paper all are about you need to write in the 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 5 you need to write in the 150 words. And question number 6 is a project answer you need to write into 500 words. If you are looking for the answers, so we are here for help. You can contact us without any hesitation, without anything, and we are here for help you for 24/7. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.